In the next 5 minutes, we are going to be learning how to fix a side pocket. It can either be attached to a pant, a short, or a skirt. And for this, we are going to be needing the fabric that we are going to use to create a pocket bag, the skirt or the trouser you want to attach the pocket to. And here I have a measurement of about 11 inches by 7 inches. Yours can be longer or shorter depending on the length of the pants. This is for a short pant, so I don't want it to be too long. You can use between 11 to 13 inches. And it's going to be on fold. Just like you see me doing, you're going to fold the fabric into two like this, wrong side facing each other. That is, you're going to be sewing on the right side. So from the top of the pocket, you're going to measure down to your pocket opening is between 5 to 6 inches, and you're going to sew round back to this point like so. This is how it's going to look like by the time you're done sewing. All right, so you're going to sew on the curved line. So this is going to be your pocket opening side. So the next thing we're going to do is to notch this point where you stop or start your sewing from, just about ½ inch. This will make it easier to attach to the pant itself. And from the top, you measure ½ inch, and you're also going to notch or mark that point. Then you're going to turn to the right side. Then the part that you notch should come out like this, as you can see. So once you are done like this, you are going to top stitch round, just like you see me doing. So I'm done with that, and this is what it's going to look like. This is just going to make it to lay flat. The next thing is to attach it. So you're going to be attaching the pocket to the front pattern or front body of the pants rather. Watch carefully the way I'm going to be doing it. So you're going to open up the pocket this way, then you're going to flip it over, making it facing the right side of the pants. Okay, so now remember the points that you notched earlier, all those ½ inch that you notched earlier. This is where you're going to start your sewing from. Okay, you're going to start it from one point to the other. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. From one notch point to the other. Done sewing there now, and this is what it's going to look like. So after sewing, you're going to flip to the right side. Then you're going to transfer the notch to the pant as well, to make it easier for you to turn by the time you're done joining the pocket bag. So after that, you top stitch on the pocket bag like so. The next thing you're going to do is to turn. You flip the pocket back to the back, and you bring out this ½ inch you have at the top. Remember, we notch ½ inch at the beginning of the pocket bag and the pants. You are going to pin it together like so. Then you come to the down part, that is the end of the pocket opening. Then you arrange the pocket bag and the pants together. Then you are going to stitch just a little bit, about ½ inch, just to hold that point together, just to hold the 3 pieces of fabric together. Do you see how it is now? So you come to this upper part as well. You arrange it carefully, you secure it with a pin, and you are going to stitch it down as well. This is just to hold it down to enable you so easily when you want to attach the back of the pants. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Do you see how I'm arranging it? You're going to place it on each other like so. Then you're going to stitch it down. This is more like a temporary stitch, but it is still useful. Then when you are doing this, you are going to arrange the pocket bag carefully towards the center front. Then you are going to stitch it down to hold the pocket bag and the trouser together. And this is what it's going to look like. Okay, so guys, after which are done, this is how it's going to look like. So if you want to place the back of the trouser on it, this is how you're going to place it. Remember that we already have our ½ inch. You must have your ½ inch sewing allowance on the back piece, and remember this ½ inch that we notch at the front, and this opening that we have left on the pocket bag, you're going to pick it together. You flip the pockets sideways, you arrange the front and the back. You are going to stitch from the beginning to the end of the pants. That'll be all for this tutorial. Thank you very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.